I have something very today to discuss about what last time we did and was in the series. Let's look at this. So, but I want you to start it in a wider perspective, right? Let me show it. Company profiling. I think it's promising. Company profiling. Yes, this is company profiling. So I really talk about what it means. Company profiling is when you company comes out and profiles out your company. It's like a form of advertising, but is long lasting. Like you come up with the details of your company or your business, then you put it on the platform. This means whoever is on the platform will keep checking on that profile, and those people or your clients who are looking for you will find your details on the platform. Let me show you a clear review. Maybe people or workers, you will still put it on the profile that during this month we recruit new platform benefit. First of all, I'll get contacts or I'll get to know about your company or your business. One in a time, your service is beneficial to me and to the company or the owner of the company or the business is arranging his business, his services. He's showing us his residents, he's showing us his employees, he's showing us his directors and all of that. Meanwhile, phoning members and other users of the platform money. How do I get money in the company profiling? I'm showing you how you're going to get money in the company profiling. Today, let's only talk about this because I won't really go so different stuff. This about company profiling and the benefits, everything. So after discussing and explaining to what it is, we are going to be benefiting as the users, and the owner of the company or the business is going to benefit. So what happens is when you bring up a company to profile with digital adverts, you get 15% commission, right? You first get 15% commission, and it is showing that monthly you pay 200,000. That is the owner of the company who is profiling, who is bringing up his business to the platform to put his company business to the platform. So I'll get 15%. If he's paying monthly, that's they'll give me 15% of that money. If he's paying 3 months, he will be supposed to pay 450. So the moment he pays that money, they give me 15% instantly, right? This is all instant. So what happens when he pays for the full year? He pays 1 million for a full year. This is 1 million Ugandan shillings. So it means I will be getting 150,000 Ugandan shillings instantly the moment he applies to profile with the company. So to be able to qualify and bring up, that means it requires some skills, it requires you a lot of company details to go out there and talk to these companies, show them the advantages of profiling with the platform, show them how the company is benefiting when they profile with the digital advert system. the company is getting profits and you're also earning some money, right? So this is the whole issue about it. But once that company renews its contract, you get your money back, right? Once you keep renewing the company's contract, you'll be getting 15%. For example, if your company profiles for 10 years, yes, that will be 1 million times 10 years, which is going. So what I'm saying is, if a company profiles for 10 years, the person who brought that company on board is going to get 15% every year. So if the company profile for 10 years, that means it will be 1 million times 10 years, right? That's 10M. So the person who brought up the company will be getting 150,000 every year for 10 years. So it's going to be a very great package, and I would prefer to encourage whoever is out there to come up and profile. The passive income, and it's going to be residual. Each year a company renews the contract, you get some money back. So thank you so much. Reminding you to keep activation, then we see the way forward, how we are going to earn this passive income, because digital adverts has done it already. Thank you. Link in the description for the new users. Please go ahead, subscribe to the channel for more information. Please, thank you so much. Activate the accounts, we make money and see the financial freedom we dreamed all along.